Hello, welcome to my channel, Lynn Kelly, author. I am Lynn Kelly, and today I am going to use my Microfleur microwave flower presser to dry some grape leaves. I just went out to the grapevine and cut some nice leaves from part of a vine. So I do not see any little tendrils. That's really what I wanted, but no, I do not see any. Maybe next year. Let's see how the grape leaves look when they are dried. I'm really hoping these will be a nice embellishment for some of my altered art scrapbooking projects. Okay, so let me open up the Microfleur flower presser. It is so easy to use. Pad, some fabric to soak up the water, moisture. Okay, so I want them to lay flat. I don't know if this brown is gonna look good or not. I'm gonna experiment and see. And if it doesn't look good, I can actually cover it up with a photograph in whatever project I use it for. Okay, so there. And let me cut one more leaf, this one. It's already starting to get limp, so I need to move fast before these grape leaves start looking bad. Okay, put it right there, this here. It says do not have the pieces touching each other, so spread them apart. Okay. Nice and flat. Okay, so I'm going to put these in the microwave for a 45-second burst and check and see if they are done. Hey, the grape leaves are in the microwave for 45 seconds. So let's see if that did the trick or if they need to go in for another burst. Okay, you can see there's moisture, a lot of moisture. Okay, I did not think that grape leaves would have that much moisture, so they may not be done. Here we go. And the way you can tell if they are done, oh, look at that. That is done. It's not, oh yeah, that looks great. If it was limping, drooping, then it would need to go in for a little bit longer, but no, these are not drooping. Actually, that one is a little bit, that one could go in for, I'm thinking 10 seconds. I will do that because it's bigger. And let's see. Yeah. That one looks great. All right. So now you know grape leaves are easy to press in the microwave flower presser. Let me put this one in for 10 seconds and see if it is finished. Okay, let's see if 10 seconds did the trick. See if there's more moisture on this. Not too much. I wiped it with a paper towel before I put it in for another 10 seconds. It is a little bit moist, but not bad, so that means it should be done. Keeping my fingers crossed. Okay, here we go. This is very warm. Okay. That looks good. That looks like it is done and ready for some scrapbooking projects. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and dry the rest of these grape leaves, and then I will show you what they all look like when they're finished. Okay, it says do not overlap the flowers or leaves. Now this one is looking kind of yucky, so I'm going to just cut it off and not even use it. I'm thinking that maybe overlapping a little bit would look cool to put on a page for a scrapbook project. So I'm going to try it and see. Perhaps I'll cut that off. Put it over here. And then this, actually, I'm going to reposition it. Then when I glue it to the page for the project, I think it'll be okay. Is it going to fit on here? No. It's going to have to wait till the next session. Okay, I think that'll look really nice for a project. And look at this little one. I'm going to go ahead and leave it turned like that. We'll have the back of it showing. Okay, let's see how this turns out. So press it flat. And I'm going to put this in for a 1-minute burst and see if that's enough to do the trick. It's very hot, so you definitely need to be careful you don't burn yourself when you're using the Microfleur flower press. Let's open her up. See how much moisture's on there. Take it off. Ow. Yep. Hot. Not hot enough to get burned, but hot enough to be very careful. Okay, let's see. Nice. I think they're ready to be used. I think they're good and dry. So I'm not going to put them in for longer. A minute seemed to pretty much do it. And they will finish drying out on their own before I use them for a project. Okay, so now on to the next bunch. Let's see how those turn out. Okay, this stem is pretty thick, so I'm going to have it tucked underneath the leaf, so it is overlapping. I say not to do that, but we'll see how it turns out anyways. I will put these in for a 1-minute burst. Whoa, you can see the steam coming off. Wow. Okay. It's hot. Okay. So these were in for 1 minute. Yeah, it looks like it's that leaf is done. Look at that one curling. I wonder if I put it in for too long. It's pretty crisp. And I think they're done. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay. Now for the next group. I'll have to thin them out. Oh, look at those tiny little ones. Those are gonna look really cute. Love it. So let me just go ahead and cut it right here. And do this group. Little ones are so cute. Alright. Ah, that's the one with the hole in it. It will have to be covered. Oh, I will cover it with this leaf. And get this baby one out and have it on top. Okay. These, I don't want them hiding. Yes, I'm breaking the rules by overlapping them. What a rebel. Do you ever like to break the rules? Well, I just want to see what the effect is. Will it work or not? Put the baby ones on top. There we go. Alright, let's see how that group turns out. If it works, I will be a happy flower presser. What I like about drying these grape leaves is they're not sticking to the fabric like the flowers do. Okay. Oh, that looks beautiful. Nice grouping. Look at that. Okay, so grape leaves are very easy to press in the microwave flower presser. Look at that. That is gonna look great in an altered art project or scrapbooking project. Ooh, cool. beautiful grouping of leaves. Okay, I only have 2 more to do, and then I will move on to the next pressed flower project, which will be these little roses. Okay, last 2 grape leaves. Steam. Alright. Voila! That looks great. Okay. The stem is bent, but that's okay. And it looks good like that. Alright, so there we go. Now, look at all these. Beautiful grape leaves. Oh, now I need to find something to store them in. Usually a big book works. I'll put them in between the pages and they can stay there and not get ruined until I'm ready to use them. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you have one of these microwave flower pressers. I am just so happy with this. So let me know if you've had good luck with it and how you like it. Leave a comment, and thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.